Welcome everybody, we are here at the original Sparks Pinball Museum. We are at Premier Lanes, and we are here just hanging out. We're going to check out the Pokemon pushers that they have here, the coin pushers. Unfortunately they're down right now. I'm not sure what's going on, so I thought while we're here we'll do a couple videos on some really cool pinball machines that he has here that he doesn't have at his other location here. One of my favorites is we're going to do Arabian Nights, and then definitely going to play some Popeye out here, and who knows what else. So stick around, see what other games we play at Sparks Pinball Museum.
The tale of the flying horse.
Get in the lamp. Ooh, lock it. Pretty good. I'll take that. Get the skill shot a little bit farther. Got one at least. Oh,
the locks are lit.
Shoot the land. Oh, come on. Bummer. There it goes. A little bit harder. Still got it up to that one.
That was me. Seize the power.
The first wall is locked.
Thank you. We're locked.
Hurry, hurry.
I'm trying. There we go.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Choose your destiny.
We'll collect the bonus. Woo.
Welcome to the bazaar.
Extra broad is lit.
Oh, so close.
Unleash the lamp's power. Amazing.
Okay.
The tale of the great camel race.
Go, the gold symbols.
No! Arabian Nights. Alright, let's do Popeye truck. I love this. I would own this. This is a very slow paced one. I gotta remember that. No! This is gonna be a quick one. Oh. No. That was a quick game, everybody.
I'm gonna level ya.
Here's one you don't see very often. Well, too. Bonsai Run. We'll do Bonsai Run while we're here, too.
Welcome, race fans, to Bonsai Run.
Super cool because it goes up there. Oh, come on. If we can get it, even get it up there.
He's going after Yellow Belly. He's challenged Bluebeard.
No! No!
He's challenged Red Hot.
Alright, we made it, finally. Up top, first level, I think. Alright, second level. Ah, we lost it. That's cool, we got it up there at least, though. No. Alright everybody, that was a little bit of pinball action from Sparks Pinball Museum. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and follow. And once again, another great pinball location brought to you by Sparks. Thanks everybody.